Heading into the next several days, deep tropical moisture will make a comeback to South Florida, and as a result, for tomorrow, we will see a good chance of those afternoon showers and storms. Today, most of the active weather is going to be well inland. All right, so here's a live look outside. This is Delray Beach. If you're heading towards the beaches, do watch out for rip currents. We do have a chance of those for today. Otherwise, temperatures looking like this, warming up quickly. 90 right now in Boca, 91 into Jupiter, feeling like the triple digits in some spots when you factor in the humidity. So it will be another warm day. The winds are southeasterly, and that will allow the afternoon sea breeze to work its way inland, producing those showers and storms, which eventually will end up over towards the Gulf Coast as we head towards the late afternoon and evening hours. But for now, we do have a couple of light rain showers coming in. We have one near Boynton Beach, another one down near Delray and down towards Boca. Notice a few more showers offshore. So for today, certainly keep those umbrellas on standby. But as the day goes on, and with the sea breeze marching inland and with the daytime heating, most of the active weather should be back across the lake and definitely over towards the Gulf Coast. But notice all of this right here. This is deeper tropical moisture, and that's going to start to move into South Florida as we head into tomorrow. So for today, we'll have about a 50% chance of a shower or a storm. Tomorrow, that shoots up to 60, maybe even 70%. But then drier air is going to come in as we head towards Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and that will knock our rain chances down once again. So here's all of that deep tropical moisture that starts to move in today and into tomorrow. We'll have a good chance of seeing those showers and storms. Any storm that does develop could produce some very heavy rainfall and some gusty winds as well. And then notice the dry air right here. That's quickly going to come in as we head towards Thursday and into this upcoming weekend. So here's Vipercast. We do have those showers offshore as we head into the afternoon hours. Notice most of the active weather right around the lake and over towards the Kissimmee River. And then as we head into the evening hours, most of the showers and storms on the western side of the lake and over towards the Gulf Coast. Now, as we head into the next several days, again, we're going to see all of that deeper moisture come on in. So as we head into tomorrow, we'll have a better chance of seeing a shower or a storm, at least for the first half of the day along the East Coast metro areas. And then during the second half of the day, everything will start to move farther inland. If you're going boating, seas today at around 2 feet. Inland waters will have a moderate chop, and there are your high and your low tide times. Here's your first alert 7-day forecast. So definitely on the warm side, temperatures around 90 degrees, feeling like triple digits when you factor in the humidity. Today, tomorrow, a decent chance of a shower or a storm. Most of them today will be concentrated inland, but then here comes that drier air for Thursday, Friday, and for Saturday.